5 hours. 5 hours and 10 minutes until we drive to the UPS access point to pick up my computer. Big moment, Zach. If the amount of flyaways on my head had wings, I would fly far away from here.
I believe I can fly.
I got it! I got it! Zach, any words? But I'm also going to be a responsible adult and get the mail before I rush inside to open up my package.
Aww.
Yay, insurance.
Hi, puppies. Are we go outside? Right, Snickers? What about you, Sammy?
First, we're going to start off with some packages. My uber cool new case. I got a USB-C multi-port adapter. It was pretty cool by Koatek. It's got 2 USB 3s, 2 USB-Cs, 4K HDMI, an SD card, and a micro USB, so that's pretty sick. The nice thing, it doesn't come with a cord. It just plugs right into the side. It's like a little mini rectangle. And then
I forgot to put on my microphone.
oops. I'm back! And with my microphone actually connected this time, so hopefully you can hear me better. This is my 2014 MacBook Air. 4 gigabytes of RAM. Battery dies in less than an hour unless constantly plugged in. And the nice little thingy that like holds it up, like don't hold it up anymore, and it's
Game over.
Alright. Alright. I got my handy dandy handy dandy box and my box cutters. Satisfying. Time to move on to opening the computer. Nothing else. Cutting through that shrink wrap. Whose job is it to shrink wrap MacBooks? They sound pretty cool. Oh, they probably have a machine to do it. Who am I kidding? Bro, I cut a perfect rectangle.
Action.
Is it flashing? Let's go! Language. Bill Y, the science spy. Bill. That is my Wi-Fi. This might take a while.
A few moments later.
In the meantime, spaghetti break. Sure. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I don't do well cooking. Well, unfortunately, I forgot to hit record, so you didn't get to see me doing Touch ID on my computer. Now they want me to do Apple Pay. Oh, I do Apple Pay on here? I want light mode, dark mode, or auto mode. My husband would say dark mode, but I think I'm feeling the light mode, you know? Brightness, happiness, joy. I am so ugly. I want to use true tone display. Oh my gosh, it's setting up. It says setting up Mac. Guys. It's so beautiful. The screen is like I'm watching HD TV. My 2014 MacBook, man, it looks like one of those box TVs.
Why does the calendar need to use my location?
I suppose if I have like meetings or something, but I don't ever have meetings. Just but the noodles are done.
Those are my noodles. I'm about to strain them. And here's my delicious sauce. Yum.
I don't know why I set this up at such a high angle, but we're just gonna vibe with it. So Sydney fun fact number 1. I love spaghetti. Here's some pictures of me enjoying spaghetti that my husband has taken because he thinks I am ridiculous. I also love an excessive amount of Parmesan cheese on top of my spaghetti, and sometimes I have shame for it, but a lot of times I don't. I'm gonna chill here, eat my spaghetti, and then set up my MacBook some more. You know, log in to Netflix, Facebook, YouTube, subscribe. Anyway, that's all I have for today. You guys should comment down below and tell me what computer you have, and give it a like if you thought me getting my give me a like if you thought, give this video give it a like if you thought me getting my MacBook today was really exciting, or if you like spaghetti too. You should also subscribe to my channel so you can see when I make new content, and my content should be fire now because I can actually use Final Cut, which on my MacBook Air 2014 I was only using iMovie and it wasn't that hot, so I need to get better at these endings. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye!